Hello everyone, my name is Grazia Aquino and I will be teaching you how to use ProjectLibre. I'm going to go into Libre right now. Hello everyone. Welcome to my video of advanced predecessors for ProjectLibre. So today I'd like to look at these advanced predecessors. And I would like to begin with the booklet in module 13.2. If you go to page 25, you will see, I'm going to skip right in there. On page 25, here we go. You will start to see this advanced setting. Now, I have done a video last week, and the video last week was basic and a few advanced skills for this particular software, ProjectLibre. As you know, this is going to be our scheduling software for this semester. So this booklet is found in module 13.2, and on page 25, you can follow through with me, but I have created a schedule here, and we will go through this and understand a little bit about the schedule. This software assumes that whatever you enter in the predecessor column or row must be completed before a task can begin. More than one predecessor can be entered, as you know, and should be separated by either a comma or a semicolon. So let's go into this. You will see that in row 6, where it says pour spread footing, okay? Let me just find pour, it's supposed to be pour strip footing. You will see that there is a predecessor, common predecessor. You can either do 4,5 or 4 semicolon 5. Either way, it will accept what it is. So when we look at more advanced predecessors, these features, there are dependencies which we look at. For example, you could have finish or FF, which is linked to the activity that cannot finish before its predecessor. We also have FS, which is finish start, and that is linked to the activity which cannot begin until its predecessor is completed. Now you'll see these here, FS, SS, and so on and so forth. Those are the two more common ones. You have SS, it's a start, it's SF, which is start, finish. And it is a link that the activity must start before its predecessor is completed. Then there is SS, which is start, and that is an activity which must begin when its predecessor begins. I do want to mention that FS and SS are the most common. You'll see them right here, FS and SS, okay? So if we look in row 6, let's go to row 6, pour strip footing. It cannot begin until both activities, 4 and 5, okay, which are form spread footing and rebar spread footing, are completed. So the predecessor can be 4, 5, or so 4,5, or it can be 4 semicolon 5, as you see here. Either way, the software will accept it. So let's take a look at the schedule. So first of all, I did not add how to indent in our last video. So I'm going to show you here. Now, I do want to show you that this is already indented. But if you were to go here, go onto the task that you want to indent, hit task and hit indent, and it'll indent what you need. There is something else we can do since we've already indented this. These are subheadings to substructure. So if I highlight them and go from 3 to 7 and hit indent, then I will get my sub headings there. Okay, it is very important. It is extremely important that you are doing this in your assignments so that we can identify the different headings. Now let's look at the form spread footing. So number 4, form spread footing. This one can begin when trench excavation, which is number 3, is 75% complete. Or in this case, -25. Okay. And they would be the same thing. I can put +75 or -25%. Okay. It means that it can begin when trench excavation, which is number 3, is 75% complete. Now, you can write it either way. So you can write it 3FS dash -25%, or you could have done 3FS 75%. Now let's look at number 5. So if we come here, the number 5 is the rebar spread footing. It can begin when number 3, trench excavation, has started. Okay. So that would be 3SS plus 1.5 days. All right, let's jump to the next one. Finally, if we look at strip spread footing or strip footing, and number 7, okay, so strip spread footing forms, it can begin when pour strip footings is complete plus 1 day. So you take the number 6, finish start plus 1 day. So you can use all of these predecessor options. So this is the next part of what you need to be doing. You're going to see this in assignment 4 and assignment 5. Not so much the exercises, but more in the assignments. You will also start deciding where your predecessors fall, okay, in your assignment 4. And the other one is assignment 5, or we call it final project. I've also discussed resources, which is another advanced function of ProjectLibre. You will find that in your video in Module 12 that I did last class called ProjectLibre Video Lesson. Now, I would also like to review quickly assignment 4. Now, I'm going to flip into something where I've taken a screenshot of a couple of student examples. These are both student examples, and it is the start of what you will be doing for assignment 4. So I want to have this on video just so that you guys can sort of see how to start laying things out. These are 2 of the better ones that we have right now. And you're going to begin with putting in your predecessors, and you're going to start looking at this. If you notice, the days are a little different depending on what they've done with predecessors and whatnot, okay? So just an example very quickly. I wanted to go through this. And that would be it. So this is our next video, and that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed this, and please open up the booklet in the module that I've used already. It will really help you out to understanding step by step what you need to do in ProjectLibre. Thank you so much.